what your parent says, then only you will be a clever child. Then only you will be called as a good child. Okay, getting my point, children? If you listen to your parents, if you listen to whatever your parents says, then only people will say this is a good child. If you don't listen to your parent, if you go against your parents' words, if you do whatever you want, everyone will tell he's a bad boy or a bad girl or a bad child, right? So, if you don't listen to your parent, what will happen? Everyone will tell naughty boy, naughty children. So, if you have to listen, if you don't listen, you will be in a trouble. You will have a problem. If you don't listen to your children, if you don't listen to your parent, you will have to face the problem. So, even the small problem also can make you a big problem. Yes, children. So, if you listen to your parent, then you will not face any problem. So, today's lesson, children, that is what we will be learning. If you don't listen to your parent, how problems you will face? Even if it is a small problem, even if you face a small problem, that may also end up to the big problem, children. Yes. So, that's what today we are going to learn in today's lesson. The lesson number 6. Lesson number 6. The tale of Peter Rabbit. What is today's lesson, children? The tale of Peter Rabbit. Repeat after me. What is today's lesson? The tale of Peter Rabbit. Now, children, you must be wondering, what is this? A man told me that we have to be good children. Whatever parent says, we have to listen. And then what is madam is going to tell about the Peter Rabbit? That is what, children, in this lesson, Peter Rabbit doesn't listen to the Mama Rabbit. And he faces the problem. What Peter Rabbit doesn't listen to Mama Rabbit, and what problem he faces, let us learn in today's lesson. That is lesson number 6, the tale of Peter Rabbit. Now take your textbook and point with me. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits. Their names are Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They lived with their mother inside a big tree. One morning, Mr. Rabbit said, "You may go down to the lane. Do not go into Mr. McGregor's garden. I'm going out." Then old Rabbit took a basket and an umbrella. She went out. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail went down the lane to collect the blackberries. But naughty Peter ran straight to Mr. McGregor's garden. He squeezed under the gate. First he ate lettuces, chomp chomp. Then he ate radish. Then he went to look for the carrots. But he met Mr. McGregor's. So what is that, children? Once upon a time, there were 4 rabbits. What was the rabbit's name? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. What was the 4 rabbits' name? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. These 4 rabbits were brothers. Then they also lived with their Mama Rabbit. They also lived with their Mama Rabbit in one big tree. Have you seen, children, the cage? Some of the rabbits have their cage, but some of the rabbits live inside the tree. Okay, so these 4 rabbits Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter, these 4 rabbits, they used to live with their mama rabbit in a big tree. Right, children? So one day what happened? One day they lived. The Mr. Rabbit, Mama Rabbit told to all the 4 rabbits that I am going out. I am going out. You can go down to the lane. What do you mean by lane, children? Lane means a small road. Lane means what? A small road. A small road. A narrow small road. Okay, the narrow small road. So Mama Rabbit told to all the 4 rabbits that you can go down to the lane. That is a narrow road, a narrow small road. You can go to the lane and collect the blackberries and eat it. So all the 4 rabbits said, okay, we will go to the lane. So Mama Rabbit went out. She took the umbrella, she took the basket and she took the bag. Like if your mummy, if she goes out, she carries the basket, she carries the purse and she also carries the umbrella with her. Doesn't she? Yes, children. Yes. So here also Mama Rabbit goes out. She carries her purse. She carries her purse and she carries her umbrella and she goes out. But these 4 what happens? Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail. They go down to the lane. They go down to the narrow road and collect the blackberries to eat. But Peter Rabbit was very naughty rabbit. He was the very naughty rabbit. What he did, Peter Rabbit? He did not go with the Cottontail, Flopsy, Mopsy to collect the blackberries. What he did? He went to the Mr. McGricken's garden. Though Mama Rabbit warned them, though Mama Rabbit told them not to go to McGricken's garden. You should not go to McGricken's garden. Now your mummy papa also tells you, they warn you not to do the wrong things, not to go to that side, not to go to this side. And suppose in case if you don't listen to your mama papa, you will also find trouble. That is what here Peter Rabbit did. Peter Rabbit, Mama Rabbit warned them not to go to Mr. McGricken's garden. But Peter Rabbit did not listen. Peter Rabbit, what he did? Slowly he squeezed into the gate. Squeezed into the gate means what? He pressed itself very tightly and down the gate. Can you go below the gate? No. Have you seen rat, mouse going down the gate? In the same way, Peter Rabbit went down the gate. It sneaked. It slowly ಕನ್ನಡನಾಗ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ एकदम ಗೇಟ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋತು. Okay, so Peter Rabbit went inside the gate. It went inside the gate and it reached the McGricken's garden. First, when the Peter Rabbit reached the McGricken's garden, it ate lettuce. Lettuce means what? Cauliflowers you eat, right? Lettuce is cauliflower. ಕೋಸ್ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಕನ್ನಡನಾಗ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, cauliflowers. It ate the lettuce, the leaves of the cauliflower, the upper layer of the cauliflower. ಕೋಸ್ಗಡ್ಡೆದ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, that is called lettuce. Yeah, it ate lettuce, the upper layer of the cauliflower. ಎಲೆಕೋಸು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡನಾಗ. It ate all those lettuce. Then the Peter Rabbit ate the radish, but it wanted to eat carrot. Then Peter Rabbit moved forward to eat the carrot. When Peter Rabbit moved forward to eat carrot, that time Mr. McGricken came in forward. He met Mr. McGricken. Then what happens when he met Mr. McGricken? Does Mr. McGricken give him the carrot? Let us learn. Let us continue. So let us learn. Mr. McGricken jumped up He ran after Peter. He waved a rake and he waved a rag and shouted, "Stop thief!" Peter rushed all over the garden. He lost his shoes among the cabbages. He lost his jacket among the potatoes. He ran into the tool shed. He jumped into the can. Mr. McGregor searched for him. Then Peter sneezed. Achoo! Then Mr. McGregor was after him again. Peter jumped out of the window and hurt himself. The window was too small for the Mr. McGregor to jump out. So he went back to his work. Peter ran to his home. Mr. McGregor hung up Peter's jacket and shoes on the scarecrow. Peter reached home. Then what happened when Peter Rabbit went inside the McGregor's garden? He first ate the lettuce. Lettuce means yelekosu. Then he ate the carrot gazari. Then he ate the radish. But at the time when he was about to eat, when he took the carrot, that time Mr. McGregor came. Mr. McGregor, he took the rake. What is rake? What is rake? See, this is called a rake. Okay. Mr. McGregor took the rake and went behind Peter Rabbit to hit Peter Rabbit, to beat Peter Rabbit. But Mr. McGregor shouted Peter Rabbit, "Stop, thief, thief, stop." But Mr. McGregor took this rake to hit Peter Rabbit and ran behind the Peter Rabbit. So what happened? Peter Rabbit ran so fast that Peter Rabbit, he lost his shoes among the potatoes. Then he lost his jacket. He lost his shoes among the cabbage garden. So what happened? When Peter Rabbit ran so fast, he couldn't realize, he got scared. Right? So he lost his shoes among the cabbages. Then his jacket among the potatoes. And then he ran into the tool shed. Okay. Then as he ran into the tool shed, he jumped into the can. So children, what happened? When Peter Rabbit, it happens now. Suppose if a dog chases you, if dog comes behind you, you get scared and you ran so fast that your slippers come out of your feet, right children? So that is what happened here. That is what happened when, just like I said, when you run fast, if the dog chases you, if you run fast while running, the slippers come out of your from your foot, right children? In the same way, here also children, when Mr. McGregor went behind the Peter Rabbit to hit him with the rake, the Peter Rabbit got scared. He ran fast. He ran so fast that he lost his shoes. His shoes came out of his foot and it lost into the cabbage garden. Then again he ran fast and fast. Mr. McGregor was behind him with the rake. Then his jacket came out of his body. He was wearing jacket. His jacket came out and it lost into the potatoes. Potatoes means what? Aloo-gadde. Okay, aloo-gadde. So it lost into the potatoes. Then Peter ran. He jumped out of the can. He went into the tool shed. Tool shed means what? We keep all the tools like mali, killa, now idtivilla, machine, samandu ella. He ran into the tool sheds. Then he jumped out of the can. But Peter Rabbit, he was very small. So he jumped out of the can. But Mr. McGregor, he did not jump. So what happened ultimately? He had a big, what happened? As Peter Rabbit's shoes, which was lost in the cabbages, Peter Rabbit jacket, which was lost into the potatoes. Mr. McGregor, he took the jacket, put to the scarecrow, he put to the jacket and shoes. He put Mr. Rabbit shoes and jacket to the scarecrow. See children, this is called a scarecrow. In a farm you must have seen. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೊಲದಾಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಲ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಹೊಲದಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ scarecrow ಇರ್ತದೆ. This is called a scarecrow. In most of the farms they keep scarecrow. So McGregor put Peter Rabbit's jacket, Peter Rabbit's shoes to the scarecrow. And what happened to the Peter Rabbit? Just let us learn the next. Yes. So when he put to the scarecrow, his mother, Peter reached home. His mother gave him medicine. He put him into the bed. She put him into the bed. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail ate bread and had milk. Their mother gave them blackberries. Peter did not get blackberries. Okay, Peter did not get any blackberries. Okay, so what happened, children? Now you saw Mr. McGregor put the Peter's jacket, Peter's shoes to the scarecrow. But Peter ran so fast. He reached home, he got scared and he felt very sorry. And he felt very sad, means he was so scared that he couldn't understand what to do. So, Mamma Rabbit, his mother Mamma Rabbit gave him medicine. She made him to put him sleep on the bed. And Peter Rabbit's brothers like Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, they had milk, bread, blackberries. But Peter did not get any blackberries. Peter did not get anything. So, what did you learn, children, from this lesson? If you listen to your parents, you will not face any problem. Here Peter Rabbit, though Mamma Rabbit told to Peter Rabbit not to go to McGregor's garden, but his brothers Cottontail, Flopsy, Mopsy, they listened to their Mamma Rabbit. But Peter Rabbit did not listen. He went to the McGregor's garden and he had to face so many problems. Okay children, so do listen to your parents. Thank you.